asase a yete so no ye ede efa ho ni nyina efa eye enhyehyeye a empanimfo aye no eho na saa enhyehyeye a empanimfo aye no abusua wo mo ede aba beto dwa se efri eye me bosomi a ye ba be wremu ya no dede ye ne koka twetwe ba ensanom ne ade ni nyina no ade a wo mo ede tabo atoso na eho report aba beto mbonten so a wo mu kiremu a emiaye bi a saa bre no wo mo ehye wo mo ede na se ewo enkran empomponi mantem hanom sei no wo mo de kokobo na ema wo ntem na se de be ya wo mo hya ase a wa meka se manti o metiyo manto enti eye tema traditional council ena wo mo ede nkrata ba ho amanebo nso aba beto emonten so yebekọ na yakotie amanebo no emu ensem yeba yebeto ansem ne so ede amamu
Ananmu atena nkonwa ene wode tudwa ya wo kire safi bia no ya no wode nhyehyɛ mapa egu akwan so sɛ ne be ya homo afa hye no obetimi di na ye kra behwe ne sɛ de bia dance mo ka kye omanfo ne sɛ eba ne sɛ twene bo anase dede ye no ya no wode so ede atoso eye nkrata ye pie montene so match bosome no ne de etosome no ewo afiwe emu na sɛ ne mpanifo edi kan de atodwa na so na ye ka ho asem ne be hya ase ayedwuma me bosome ne de edi kan kopem sɛ ne de etoso eduonu miensa sada no eye memenda enti wo manfo ye a wo mote tema nananom atena nkonwa de ebesrɛ mu ɛsɛ bre no so amonhwɛ sɛ san hyehye we mo betimi edi aye edwuma ebi ne sɛn na edi kan se dede ye yempe saa so na twenebo yempe bi etie saa bre no mu a ye ka ho asem na ni kwan se kwan bia so wo ye nhyehyɛ se wo ye yie anase wo kosie wo de hye eno nyina mpanifo kasa wo kye se etia eno so na wo kye se wo ye a wo ka ho asem kroto akodo bi ekɔ edema mo ani baby ti se tema mahia dodo na afre ne new town ene enkroto akodo bi ye wo tema traditional area ebi ye ashaiman zenu kubekrum adegon sasabi klagon ajekojo sakomo no na afeso ejeiman enunti ena wogina so astresa adehye na afeso wane ye nsore wane atiti ku ahodo sabio biaya ye twetwe bie yenom nsa paps na asefo no ene wane abu watiremu pose won pese wo hihye saa dwumadie bia ye ntakọ ne na asefo no nyina se wo besremu ebere wei eye bere kuma bi eye me bosome ne de di kan kosene da etoso eduonu miensa dede ye pa de empanifo nsem a wo kan se kwan bia so wo muchi enti bere no so amonhwe se san hyehye no mu de obuo ne nidie bema nananom saa ban ya ye ka ho asem se eye amamrene amane ade bia da afi bia no ye de hyehye so sane be ye bebo kwan na homowo afa hye no bibia etimi akoso na kwan so na boa na hyehye na ye ka ho asem na etimi aye adwuma titiriw ene enkroto awodo ya ye guso a ye de tudwan
abusia na chese sese no eye ga tema traditional council empanimfo ena wo mode nsem we aba betudwa wo muchemu se tema ashaiman zenu ene sa eye empotem honom no me busumi a ye bewremu ya no wo mo enhye ne nso se at this point no eye ban on noise making koka bia ba ne intako eye yo enkonko ye bia nkobo yo wo mpaso na meda na ye bechewa wa be ka se na crime for there na crime for there enti se no wo mo ede kokobo ensem ene wo mo de ababeto mbonten so with regards to the ban on noise making a enche wo mo ede be hyehye so wo Ghana krodwe mu hanum say now akose a whole lot of conversations any ade be just say we are back to this again, but assistance now no we say tradition is tradition, you've got nothing to say about it. Internet say ye nyina ye be nwanya so na ye dide nhyehyeye no etie no eso you said this thing it's bit by bit then ye be kokọ so far as we are in the greater Accra region it will be going on and on and on until the Homowo festival no and I say Homowo fashion na omudi no wo mo ebedi akọ various communities Ghana communities no every enti we ni nsemo a every tema traditional council mpanimfo honom aba beto embonten eso ne nyina mu no na no ada the updates be ebaye ebusia from the Ghana Roads and Highways Authority and the Ministry of Roads and Highways for efa road diversion exercise be na omo pese omo ewo N1 N4 highway no eso ebusia ekoko say a whole lot of traffic and nkomo twitwe amanfo chem say traffic no ano hye traffic na no ordinary just say binum complaining about spending 3 hours within baby kitwa bi omo ko 1 hour 30 minutes any ade and na me ne wo kasa no road minister wodin nsem ya ba betu dwa say no traffic condition no abafem omatimi manage na omo bo ahyenkafo nso aba so pa say they've been able to endure all this while any ade na ensem a wode ebetu dwa ne de na say otimi say works are still ongoing ewo ekwan no eso but then say no traffic no otimi say abafem there is a video it's serving as an evidence to show because previously we mo share diversion na se ne de na ohwe kwan ne so a ukokrom kra na oyem hyehyew as say no otimi say adwuma na ekoso de enso traffic no ano abre ase yenhwe video no bra
把这个原木给它搞过来吧，原木把这长的东西搞过来。好，来拿锯拿过来，长的锯哦。
它那个4公分是到中心线，对，这个桥的中心线，这个中心线到我们这个桥最多的这个位有4公分，2公分，8公分，这个也是8公分，对，都是8公分。我早上让我2块钱了。
Let me do the video for you. Okay. Move again small. Someone is calling you. Somebody is calling.
Abusia, these are scenes from the N1 N4 Quantum Pono so miche Jowulu airport spanner honum side no to so utimu say ejumane de Koso Road Ministry no omo airborne homodene air fix ya kwan no any ade na so no trafficker na sebe ewo honoma na ahyenkafo no ka ho asem ne na chese utimi hu say say na no abrase cause now share video now you could see say now the road is free, vehicles are moving without traffic be a cause delay any ade unlike previously na de ye hu no enti no road mister ma ejumane de omo ye traffic no so it is it's calm. You could see the engineers no say na omo egu kwan no so they were working diligently to make sure say the job is done on the road said the traveling on that route no ebe smooth na akoye ni nyina mu no ye free the road ministry honoma na yebora the Ministry of Communications and Digital Technology yera Sam George na minister ewo honoma for some time now no yatete won from mem yatete ewo news mu yate won kaibo mu say sim registration be eba bekoso amanfo bebre na ebo honorable Sam George she say we de bia mo sa two parties way every day you guys are talking about sim registration. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ba ye be registration just say we be call the telecommunication center no now mato sante ten ade Sam George you spoke about it that is not good, they should not go and register fe obaya. You are also taking us through the same torture and Sam George ababe kasa ochemu say this is not the usual registration this is a biometric registration and it's not common. Just say my references are responding to people that were criticizing him on the registration of SIM cards. Yebejebre na yetie said the one kasa tu nenum tu edin same way tuja.
Let me just segue here. We're going to do the SIM registration. I didn't say re-registration, I said SIM registration. Because this is the first time in our history as a country where we'll be doing a proper biometric registration. And I've heard people say, oh, but Sam George, you said we shouldn't register in the past. Go and listen to the videos of what I said. I didn't say let's not register. I said we should not register because the processes that were being undertaken at the time would not fix the problems that existed. I spoke about the need for us to have biometric verification in that registration. And so my opposition to the registration in 2021 to 2023 was the process that was being used. Because I said it was a waste of our time. And I've been justified because today as minister, we're having to go back through the entire process of registering SIMs again because we failed to simply do the right thing. Link the biometrics on the NIA database to the biometrics at the NCA holding the database. So what I said, I still stand by. That process was flawed because the right things were not done. We've taken our time. It's been over a year since I've been in office. I didn't rush to announce the SIM registration because we've taken our time to do a proper analysis of what was done in 2021 to 2023. We've looked at all the mistakes and flaws in the system. We've looked at how do we correct them and how do we make sure that people do not go through the trauma and challenges that they went through.
Abusia Honorable Sam Nate George, our Minister for Communications and Digital Technology, and Ikuti in Nsema Wode Etu Janache say, Trema, in a nutshell, no, this is not a SIM re-registration. This is a biometric registration. Na EBNI system nimu into a more chromosome digitalization. Yeah, dear by no, that is not what they did. Process near the omudi FM no or be lie into a fay no mudi original process na ba or more ede eba be yesim proper SIM registration. Ede amainti we de yen na engine tum na yenye. But then some section of Ghanaians are saying that this is a story of old. Ya tesa de bia one will counter one will conquer one. Na yasako back to the old thing that ya da no. It is our stress way they are not ready to pass through it. But a bit more the na you can't because a drew baby no share the previous SIM registration now. One can register, you can't even make calls with your SIM card. That just said the IA would all be queuing back again to go and register our SIM card. Ebusia yemfa mo ensi hanum say na yenda mo asesonko se munyabre ede ehwe yen aha Pinaxtv.